Hi, it's Kerry. Lots of fun on the farm today and lots of animals to feed and look after. The cows are going to come in on a parade. It's really good fun. And some extra feed for later. Sarah's feeding the piglets apples. And one of our piglets decides to have an adventure. We've got a fence coming in for the cattle first. David and Sarah will help build this. Here comes the cattle and alpacas. David helps the baby alpaca. It's called a cria. Sarah and David thank Jim for helping the cows in. The cria on the left and the baby calf on the right. Sarah feeds the alpine calf. Alpine cow and bull. The brown Swiss cow family. The alpaca. And another delivery of hay. It's time for David to feed the cattle. The alpacas are having a drink. Another new fence for the pigs. And here come the pigs. There's 3 adults and 2 piglets. Sarah feeds the piglets apples. They look so sweet and innocent, but the little one's going to cause some trouble later on. It's time for dinner. All safely locked in. Another new fence for the garden. Sarah loves her garden but has trouble with the animals getting in. And here are the next lot of animals. A donkey foal, a mule, and a Mustang stallion. Sarah likes to hand feed the baby animals. It's time to feed the others. The donkey foal loves attention from Sarah. She's going to give him a pat and a scratch. And here's the noisy chickens. and a turkey. Time to feed the chickens. This is our farm dog, Sam. He's very good at looking after the animals. The little piglet is going to have an adventure. I think the piglet wants to get to the garden and the hare's going to help him get in. But not if Sam can help it. Sarah and David come over to see what all the noise is about. Their hare makes a hasty escape. And David the farmer helps take the piglet back to its enclosure. All fixed. Sarah's rolling a log over so the piglet can't escape again. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.